Sodri Chorong along Thanong Ker Karkli. KSA pen DPO Phan Than Bang Bharat Bhuyan Choma Thaki Chok Chia Potak Pinpura Loki Pajil. News time along pen kadoko e phanta kardom pajaritlo narju ponik tha bir tang ton pen bokojan rong supia dung kedu karbi rong supi sorry chwa rong along phong deng than rong ger karklia bir ta card news channel pherang ki anante rang pen bir ta nang pali Sodri chu arong committee atum kachipatir pi penning kan wang son thak thak si pining aning kan le thota thanong ker si arkli dun ada porphai sirkep apor pen thanong ker karklia sai pangcheng ponlo deupani thana kurusar sing terang donsuri thana kurusar suren teron sukhanjang than kurusar horen be jiadong than kurusar bophong ingti lepen amrajan than kurusar risotok biatum pen si arkli ponlo laso kado kobe anta arkli me sensai di pusi pachini dun Sodri chu arong committee amai phu anan killing chunbang ke hai terang pen bidisar sundor ingtia tum pen isi Sodri chu arong along ki dodun kapre anim kiriam tum tala swarni ke kado kowe churap chito sar pen chitong pernangji pusi pachini athela dak se kar khliahan ki chochia tum phanta kapre ing thirjir pen kitun ki dang pipon pado lasi chitong sar pen rd nang pidunang ji puta chuning rialam the pachini kachitong atum an pen ningarong chipi sar pen churap junrap si messenger pusi pachini Chinthong Educational Block ke Paroteng Kerala Selfie School Assistant Teacher Bharat Bhuyan Banajau kedam tang 2017 aningkan methang ki thanvek ke charle o sopan meglam nosa ki claim ji ka bor I palam pen an hurcho dutlo laso jo kedam tang 2017 aningkan phaikuni ni phaing kora isiarni alang liphan wathat langso police station long lam hoi pidam si case pabonlo Bon sitame Thanbang Bharat Bhuyan ke non anta kai teng kaya mangsi methang sai pachaklem long bom langajok KSA Hamran District Committee hin pen aning kipung chapaklang sila pusona dai ki doveka bang pho phan ke Thanbang sai pen ing thanvek nang jipura PD District Primary Education Officer phan panong si Chinthong Education Block along Pinpura lo pajirdam laben la pusona dai ki dokok bang pho phan poson pensi Education Department hin pen hukum ke thora sai ka pachaklem long bom maputa KSA hin pen ningje
idum ladak Karbilo Charlie Song Hamran District Committee pen sai jok je pini DPO phan lo pinang kok lo alam bang lahen lo cikidam tang November 21 tarik ni Pengrangso LP School along Lutham Jumbom inut assistant teacher Bharat Bhuyan pu alang liu bihek also phan ame kelang nuji leson kapur ileson itum anulas dudun lo laso jong itu malah alang ni phana against bothelang so kenapa police station long itu case file dam laso teng dan alang li phan case papon lo asa case a number ke rason situ 82 oblique 17 under section 354 oblique 376 oblique 511 IPC R oblique W section 12 Pesio Ek asam sih rapan register lo sita ningduk me alam bang kelah lo lapan de pitang da me department atum penalang lipat hang da action ne laso jok also bang da justice kon bang long nje so justice long le lo ase pinitum lo char le song pen sai jok jesi pinaku laso alang lipan department pen inside nang ji mat alang li sa kuri alang li teacher assistant teacher palang pantar minute nang ji pu alam the pen si pini DPO phan panong si lo pilo dak Chinthong Block Education atru pen pase pini ni tum lo pitar pen apita me department sor pen thang da action and ape lo te bani tum nitum akemang pachun chep lo tang te itum Karbilo Charle song tum pen department against me itum peace kana democratic in some movement in thurnang kok po but democratically lang itum against itum chesong
lasi project pen bangso Thanbang aphan ang hoi pen pasun se pulote arona teng pen kachisong ang tong pathipon thunang kok puta pachini thu card news channel la pherage hundor kropen nang kilo birta Number 6 Bithung Reng Thama constituency at pen pini thang ni phai cricket thom arni Karbi Youth Festival aklamalong ki pangthirasai kideng pon pado Pini thang ni phai cricket thom arni ada bapor pen number 6 Bithung Reng Thama MSC constituency aratum pen Karbi Youth Festival aklamalong ki pangthirasai kideng Bithung Reng Thama MSC constituency arlo aratum cheto pet pensi kapang cerasai deng pon lup si CM hemasor hin penta pherang kya tu matheng no lam theke jai pon padu Nan malam sopor pandi na parman bir taming to manik sina. Kaziranga English Academy, future flourishes here. Opposite ISBT Karchuk, Guwahati, an English medium, co-educational, fully residential 10+12 school affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Spot admission for the classes 3 to 9 for the session 2018 and 19, for class 11 for the month of April 2018. Please do visit Singhasan Hotel on 13th of February 2018 from 10 AM onwards. And for more details, please contact at the number given on screen. Academy, Rukasen Amlapati, DIFU 782460, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admission open, Montessori up to class 9. Issue of prospectus and admission form from 1st of December 2017. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, audio-visual teaching aid with projector, smart class, Next Education Inter Private Limited, arts and dance classes, etc. Montessori classes will start from 1st week of January 2018. For admission details, please contact 03671 273084 or 7896 971 592 or 8724068454 or 8472091283. Pininilihin penkato koy mataisip Birta Kemido. Birta Kemido lapuson henlo El Fresco The Talent Show Season 2 nan prapjin pen klang dapu. Nasin nang litumta labang solong cepati dun jining hang urute bang ikha rapet nang cepati dun. For more information, you can contact at the number given on screen, or you can also visit Card News office at office hours.
Ganj, Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la pentesiri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, Thelua Kreng, Chitronola, Ukthor Pen Chenglok Ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Din amo piputat bir talang bang tulo. Difu Police Station ki parlang kang lower dilaji bir lapen taralang sukachileng atowar cleared up high school adungalong thang ni pai krehinya ningbi. Ajo por pai keba por malam ahiring tang rakpen ihum scooty kachingkoy. Difu lower dilaji bir lapen taralang sukachileng atowar cleared up high school adungalong ihum scooty kachingkoy. Ajo por pai keba por malam scooty kachingkoy ajo tong sikot pen areng ke sobang puapan Difu Civil Hospital long sekelang japan ponlo. Bon sitami Difu Civil Hospital long sekelang japan ajaravar saitawi. Areng huki sobang puapan oxygen ki pi japan anta thangna ravar saitawi pusi chirok tok bang puatumpen akoy ki pipado. Difu Civil Hospital a Dr. Tum Eson Baglote, Guwahati Chipon non Kalite Dimapur Chipon non Puamat, Karbiang long kidug dararatum kisung kachitong nang laki, Karbiang long Janamas Council kicharik kithekiling, kachikrong tum kichok chekitek tepuke cheklang dang pinonglo. Oxygen ki pimo wela pen Dr. Tum kilang kipang kreajoksi, areng hukiso bang pua prandam nang loputa, ong dunga tum pen ning jirinti. Skuti kaching koy pen apran kidam joy bang pomen binong teron, kalitang ni hang teron asupo pusi birtarip dunlo. Karbi ham phangalong okorjang suarlo jogwan bepuke puthot klanglilu. Ki dat kavela pen ki bojara hem okorjang aphan jakong thor ham pen rong primpla masor deben terang pinula ot kavya pinso monjoring tipia phan me kai chok se apran kenji aphan claim para kam claim lo. Difu manja towar miles po ame kalitang khorsing ing tilapen kaviti sopia sopi monjoring tipia phan tuning suri hinera parokret chok sianingkan bati jong pli ari Difu railway colony area long deben terang me kai si alam prokria lepilo.
Now sorry bentang ke?
Rong timpna
Kumalan talaga.
Kita sini tunde. Apa so phanta. Sini ni. Mane ni lisopi bang etulo ni kenang ni. Abang hemari tupe bang piso asoke doke. Ni kenang ni tuyalo. Angke. Nang len phanang dote tilote. Nang phanta kereng kat nang bibe nang phanta nang ablamji nang theng lamji puson si titulo.
Deben terang inut apiso asuke do bangphu machijong pli arni pen monjur difu civil hospital along sechelang bompi lam kaning je unahut ansi deben terang kachoma thapa hi ialam teklanglo monjur sarpi hamphang song jatma phan ang tonalam than pachini edapi difu outpost along thang krihini arni lam hoi mate case pidamlo la solam hoi KSA KYDO la pen KFA tumchelang si lam hoi pilo KSA bidesar laichon ingleng la solam along RDP dun
February 2018 we got to know from some reliable sources that a female named Monjir Ingtipi has been burned by one person called Deben Terang, who is from Rongpimplam, Disorongkar area. So after that, this morning we came here along with my colleagues, KYDO, KFA and other organizations. So together we have interrogated with the victim's mother, and she has told us that the incident is true. So we also informed the police, and as well we have communicated with the doctor. So now what we want to say is that the accused must be arrested as soon as possible and should be put behind bars. And at the same time, we want to request the Carabi Anglong Autonomous Council to give compensation to the victim, because they are really from a very humble background.
Birta Bangila Pansikang Ton Poniklo, Lang Wam Tekan News Channel, Domi Thakmi Kurwang 2.